to teach you how to box. First thing we'll start with is our stance. So your feet are right underneath your hips. If you're right-handed, take a step back with your right leg, and you'll make this little line where your left leg's on one side and your right heel is on the opposite side of that line. So then you're gonna bend your knees, hands up by your face, elbows into your ribs. So we got a nice soft bend in our knees. We're gonna go over breath. It's the most important piece of boxing. So you got your hands up. We're gonna make exhalations through our diaphragm like shh or s. All right, tightening up that diaphragm, letting the air out through your mouth, or if you're really scaled, through your nose. So the hands stay up. Let's go over the footwork first. Whatever direction you want to move, that's the foot that will move first. So if we're going forwards, you're going to take a step with that front leg, and then the back leg will follow. Keep the hands up. Front leg, then back leg follows. Try not to drag the feet. Little tiny steps. Try not to make any noise. When we move backwards, it's called pull. It goes back foot, then front foot. And again, pull. Back foot, then front foot. Keep that bend in the knees, keep the hands up, and notice if you've got this line in between your feet still, and you've got some space between them. Moving to the right and the left is the same principles. Moving to the right, we'll go right foot, then left foot will follow. Moving to the left, left then right. We end up back in our boxing stance. Let's have some fun with the punches. Punch number one is the jab or the one. We're gonna call it both, so memorize both. Your left hand's gonna shoot out, elbow up, turn the knuckles over at the end, make that exhalation, non-punching hand by your face, and the core is braced. Pulling it back in, let's do it a little bit quicker now. Jab, jab, one, same thing, right? One or jab, and again, one, yeah, make sure we're breathing. Let's focus on the second punch, cross or two. I'm gonna call it both, so memorize both. We start by pivoting the back foot, bending the back knee. The right arm will come out, knuckles turn over, and then we pull the punching hand back to our face, showing our opponent our left shoulder. Let's go again, from the ground up, pivot that back foot, bend the knee, drop the weight into the legs, send that right arm out, and then pull it right back, showing me that left shoulder. Hands stay up, and we focus on breath. Let's make our first combination, a 1, 2. So the two punches that we've learned, put them together. Ready? 1, nice and slow, 2. Pulling it right back. And again, a little bit quicker with the breath. Ready? 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Now double it up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's see it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure you're breathing. Let's go over the third punch, the hook. So it's gonna be a 3 or a hook. Memorize this. So we got the 1 coming out, the 2 coming out. When we're pulling the 2 back, the hook's gonna come up and over. Thumb, elbow, and shoulder all stay the same height. We pivot on that front leg and pull the weight backwards. Non-punching hand by your face. Reset, we start again. Super slow so we can learn really fast. Ready? 1, 2 with the back hand, hook with the front hand, sinking the weight backwards. And again, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let me hear your breath. Boom. So that's 3 punches. I got one more for you.